Welcome and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing my video, consider subscribing to the subscribe button and turn the notification icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. And today's design will be doing a laundry design. So this is the background we'll be working with here, and this cloth you are seeing here, I added this with my photo editor, so there is no much work there. So I'll just start from here and I'll open this. I'll start from the most important one, which is the heading. This three. Okay, sorry. Now you see this is, let me go and show you the name of this font. The name of this font is, I think this is, okay, look at it here, Go Bold Light. That's the name of the font, Go Bold Light. And look at what I did here. I click on this guideline here, or grid line, anyhow you want to call it. Just click on this horizontal plus. I kept this thing this way, and I will now leave it like this. You will see that everything I will be doing here will be centralizing this side. This is right alignment. I want to align everything to the right side. So that's it. And this one is screened into the same font, because once you want to design, or once you are designing, you don't need to use multiple fonts in your design, so that to not make your design look scattered or clumsy. So you just have to maintain one or two fonts throughout the design. So that's just it. I will now open another one, and this is service. This thing should have a stroke line, which is white. It's okay. It's a stroke white of white stroke line. Let me increase this to this, and this is cool also. You see, everything is also centralized to the left side. And I will now open another one. Okay. Sorry, let's do something here. Okay, look at this square. This is a shape I added here. This is just a shape. You see, just a shape. I shift to that end, and that's cool. You see, even though I shift this shape to the end, my text did not reach to that end. I still maintain this alignment here. So that's the fact you need to note here. So I will now open another one. I'll be taking it gradually so that you understand what I did. You see this one that just pops up here. This one now is also okay. This one also aligns with this once I've opened now, and that's cool too. So let's open another one. Let's open this shape. Look at this shape. You see what I did here? This shape now, I bring this one to this end, and you see the text I will be placing on it here. Let's open this and see what we've got. Look at what we have here. This is the location. And let me open the location, which is this. Okay, sorry, this is not what I want to open. Look at the location icon here. It has popped up like this. This is the location icon. Once you want to get it, search for location icon, whether on Pinterest or on Google. You will see it. So the next thing now is to open this one too. Open these two things and open this. So you see, this is the two phone numbers I added here. So the next thing again is to open this services and this. So you see, this is, look at what I did here. This, I used this mark here. This is a degree. It's a mark for degree. I placed it in front instead of at the back, so that the thing will just show the way it is here. Then we'll remove this grid line so that you see it. You see how neat and the alignment is also good. So that's it. That's one thing you need to note once you are designing. Of course, you see everything I've designed here is achieved with this Pixellab now, though it's just a little bit effect that I added with my photo editor. So I just decided to make use of this one app for this particular video. So thank you so much for watching to this end. Please share my video to your friends, watch my videos, share, like, comment too. Anywhere you have question, you ask me in the comment section too. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time in my next